How do you say? I don't have.
Ani hin qabu.
I don't have money.
Ani balaka hin qabu.
I don't have pen.
Ani kalama hin qabu.
I don't have friend.
Ani hiriya hin qabu.
Ani hiriya.
Ani hiriya hin qabu.
Okay, say I don't have home or house.
Ani mana hin qabu.
How do you say is there food?
Nyaata jira.
Nyaanni
Nyaanni jira. Nyaanni jira.
Nyaanni jira jedhime.
Nyaanni jira.
Nyaanni jira.
Nyaanni jira.
How do you say I'm full? I am full.
Ani kufa.
Ani
Kufa.
kufeen jira.
Ani kufaan jira.
Kufeen jira.
Ani kufeen jira.
Okay, how do you say give me bread?
Dabo na kenni.
Sorry. Do you like meat?
Huh?
How do you say do you like meat?
Ani jalata.
What mal? Do you like meat?
Ani jalata.
Do you like meat? Me. Do you like meat?
Oh. Phone jalata.
Did I pronounce wrongly the term meat?
No, it sounds no, they're both the same. I thought you said, do you like me? And I thought you said in English. That's why.
Yes.
It's okay though.
Yeah. Okay, how do you say order food?
Ajaji.
What? Malajaji.
It's order.
Okay, ajaji malajaji. Order food. How do you say order food?
Nyata ajaji.
Exactly. Nyata ajaji.
Nyata ajaji.
Okay. How do you say why? In Afan Malif.
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 Okay, how do you say what do you want? What do you want?
What do you want? Malif.
Malif. What do you want?
Mal
Mal
barbada.
Mal barbad. Mal barbad. Okay, what are you doing?
Mal jira tujira.
Mal? Mal? Mal?
Mal jira tujirta.
Lucky. Mal hojjechaa jirta.
Mal hojjechaa jirta.
How do you say what are you writing?
Hin beeku.
Mal barreessaa jirta. Mal barreessaa jirta.
Mal barreessaa jirta.
What are you eating?
Mal nyaatu jira.
Mal nyaachaa jirta. Mal nyaachaa jirta. Okay. What are you reading? Okay.
Mal kitaaba. Kitaaba mal readii goota.
Readii gootaa miti. Maal dubbisaa jirta? Maal dubbisaa jirta jedha.
Kitaaba dubbisa.
Maal dubbisaa jirta? Say I am a student.
Ani
barataadha.
Ani barata goota.
Okay. How do you say I'm a teacher? Okay.
Ani barsiisu.